Hello children. So welcome to aimsindia's online classes. In today's video from physics subject, motion topic we are going to continue. So let's discuss some solved problems children based on the previous concepts what we have learned. Based on that, example 1, a body is projected with a velocity of 49 meter per second at an angle 60 degrees with the horizontal. Means with the horizontal, a body is projected upwards with an angle 60 degrees. So its path will be like a parabola. Its path will be like a parabola. Now the question is, what is the maximum height h max reached by the body? So we have to take z, acceleration due to gravity. In this case, we have to take it as 9.8 meter per second square. So what is the maximum height? The given values are initial velocity 49 meter per second, which is u, angle 60 degrees, which is theta, and g value 9.8. We have to find maximum height reached by the body. So maximum height formula, u square sin square theta by 2z. U square sin square theta by 2z. Maximum height formula. So already we have derived the formula. So directly we can make use of that formula, where u square, u is the initial velocity, which is 49. So u square means 49 into 49. Sin theta means sin, the angle is 60 degrees here, sin 60 degrees whole square. Sin theta whole square means sin 60 degrees whole square. Sin 60 degrees value, directly we are taking the value here, root 3 by 2. About these values, you can learn in your mathematics subject children. So direct values we are taking here. Sin 60 degrees value is root 3 by 2 whole square. 49 into 49, root 3 by 2 whole square by 2 into g value 9.8. G value 9.8. So here 9.8 5 times 49. 9.8 5 times 49. So 5 will come here. One more 49 is there. Root 3 whole square will become 3. This 2 square will become 4. In the numerator, it's as a denominator, it will come down. 4 will come down. So we can write 2 into 4. So if you multiply the numerator part and if you divide with the denominator, the value will be 91.875 meter. So the maximum height reached by the body is 91.875 meter. That we will get. Next one, example 2. The ceiling of a long hall. We have a long hall, and the ceiling. This is the ceiling part, topmost surface of the hall. The ceiling part is at a height of 20 meter. At a height of 20 meter from the floor. So what is the maximum horizontal distance that a ball thrown with a speed of 40 meter per second can go without hitting the ceiling of the wall? Without hitting the ceiling of the wall. So we are throwing with a velocity of 40, suppose like this. So without hitting the ceiling of the wall, if the projectile is like this, this is the horizontal distance traveled by the ball without hitting the wall. So for this, they have given height of the hall, they have given initial velocity, they have given 40 meter per second. G value, we have to take it as 10 meter per second square. So h, u, g values are given. Now, suppose if we assume that ball is thrown with an angle theta, suppose it has reached maximum height, then according to formula h equal to u square sin square theta by 2z, u square sin square theta by 2z. Suppose if the height is 20, if the maximum height is 20, so then what will be theta? 40 u value 40 square sin square theta by 2 into 10. So we have to find sin theta here, or this 40 square, or we will take all values this side, 20 into this 2 into 10 also will go up, by we have 40 square, means 40 into 40 equal to sin square theta, or we can write 20 into 2 40, 40 into 10 400 by 40 into 40. So we will be having sin square theta equal to 400 by 40 into 40, whereas sin theta equal to, if square goes this side, it will become square root of 400 by 40 into 40. So 40 tens are 400, 10 ones are 10, 10 4 times 40. So root of 1 by 4, root of 1 is 1, root of 4 is 2, so 0.5 or half. But in sin theta, in sin table, sin 30 degrees value is 1 by 2. So in the place of 1 by 2, we can keep sin 30 degrees directly. Because in sin table 0 degrees value is 0, 30 degrees value is 1 by 2, 45 degrees value is 1 by root 2, sin 60 degrees value is root 3 by 2, sin 90 degrees value is 1. These values we have to remember, children. So sin 30 degrees 1 by 2. So in the place of 1 by 2, we can keep sin 30. Now sin same, theta equal to 30. Theta equal to 30. Means when we throw with an angle 30, it will go like this. Means it will just touch the ceiling. Just means almost ready to touch the ceiling, and it will come back. So this will be the maximum range. This will be the range of the projectile. Means if we throw with an angle of 30 degrees, it will reach maximum height of 20 meter, and from there it will come to ground. Now this horizontal range we have to find. So now range is given by range formula u square sin 2 theta by z. U value 40, sin 2 theta value 30, 2 into 30 means sin 60 degrees, means root 3 by 2. Root 3 value is 1.732 approximately by 2. If we divide, we will get 0.866. So here 40 square means 40 into 40, sin 2 into 30, sin 60 value 0.866 by 10. So 10 4 times 40. If you multiply all, you will get a value of 138.56 meter. 138.56 meter. Next one. So example 3. One minute, children. Example 3. A cricketer can throw a ball to maximum horizontal distance of 100 meters. 100 meters. How high above the ground can the cricketer throw the same ball? Means he can throw the ball to this maximum horizontal distance or maximum range. Means if we throw with the velocity of u, let us assume the range is maximum. Range formula u square sine 2 theta by g. Maximum range means sine 2 theta to be equal to 1. Then u square by g will be the maximum range. So maximum range u square by g, which is equal to 100 meter. Then u square equal to 100 meter. This g will go here into g. 100 into g, or u equal to root of 100z. So u value root of 100z. So at maximum height, velocity will be 0. Final velocity will be 0. While going up, if we take upward direction as positive, then downward direction acceleration due to gravity will be negative. A is equal to minus z. So now we have u value, we have v value, we have a value. We have the formula v square minus u square equal to 2as, or 0 square minus u value root of 100z whole square equal to 2 into, in the place of a, we can keep minus z into s. So 0 square means 0. Square root cancel. Minus 100z equal to minus 2gs. Z cancel. Minus minus cancel. Or we can divide like this. S equal to minus 100. This minus 2 will come here. Minus 100 by minus 2, which is equal to 50 meter. Means he is able to throw. He is able to cover 100 meter horizontal distance when he is throwing with the velocity of u. Based on this, we will find u value first. After finding the u value, we can use u value, and for finding maximum height, we have to take v equal to 0, because at the maximum height, final velocity is 0, and we have to take acceleration minus z, because body is going upward, acceleration acting downwards, and with the help of this u value, v value, z value, we can find the s, or we can find the maximum height, which is 50 meter. Next one, example 4. So Pankaj and Sudhir are playing with two different balls of mass m. Pankaj is playing with ball of mass m, and Sudhir is playing with ball of mass 2m respectively. So Pankaj is throwing his ball. Vertically upwards, and Sudhir is throwing his ball with an angle theta with the vertical. So if this is theta, this will become 90 minus theta, because he is throwing with an angle theta with the vertical. Vertical and horizontal angle is 90 degrees. If the above angle is theta, then the below angle will be 90 minus theta. So both of them stay in our view for the same period. Means if we are observing from outside, we are able to observe both of them at the same time. say for same time period. So what is the ratio of heights attained by the two balls? So ratio of height h1 attained by first ball, ratio of height h2. This h1 h2 ratio we have to find. So here, so time of flight for the ball thrown by Pankaj is, because the body or the ball thrown by Pankaj is an example of vertically projected upwards body whose time of flight is given by formula Tu by Z. So T1, time of flight of first ball thrown by Pankaj equal to 2 U1 by Z, whereas time of flight for the ball thrown by Sudhir is given by the ball thrown by Sudhir is an example of projectile, For projectile, time of flight formula is 2u sin theta by z, but the sin theta is angle made with the ground, angle made with vertical is theta, angle made with ground is 90 minus theta. So 2 u2, because here velocity is u1, here velocity is u2. So 2 u2 sin 90 minus theta we can take according to the formula. 2 u2 sin 90 minus theta by z. So 2 u2 sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Sin 90 minus theta equals to cos theta by g, by z. T2 equal to 2 u2 cos theta by z. So this you have to remember, children. Sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. So now this, but both the bodies, they are in the same time frame. Means for the person, time of flight of the ball, first ball and second ball both are same. Means T1 equals to T2. T1 equals to T2. So T1 value 2 U1 by Z, T2 value 2 U2 cos theta by Z, both are same. ZZ cancel, 2 cancel, U1 equals to U2 cos theta. U1 equals to U2 cos theta. And so height of the ball thrown by Pankaj, the formula is H equal to U square by 2G. So H1 equal to U1 square by 2Z according to formula. Height of ball thrown by Sudhir is, so maximum height of projectile formula U square sin square theta by 2Z. So U square, U2 square sin square in the place of theta, 90 minus theta by 2Z. 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. So it will become U square theta, U square cos square theta by 2Z. So the ratio H1 by H2 equal to U square by 2G by U square cos square theta by 2Z. 2Z cancel, 2Z cancel, but U1 equal to U2 cos theta. Means this U1, U2 cos theta both are same. In the place of denominator, we can write, instead of U2 cos theta, we can write U1. So U1 square by U1 square cancel, which is equal to 1. Which is equal to 1. So the ratio of heights under the same time period is always 1. So the maximum height, we have a short trick, children. The maximum height always proportional to square root of time period. Means H1 by H2 equal to T1 by T2 whole square. But here T1, T2, we are observing for the same time period. So T1 equal to T2. So H1 by H2 equal to, these are same. So cancel 1 square, which is equal to 1. So that is a shortcut for this problem, children. Okay, children. So we have solved some example problems, children. Some example problems we have solved today. Remaining exercise problems are there, which we will be learning in our next video, children. So, but before starting the exercise problems, so whatever equations are there, whatever formulas are there, all you have to by heart, children. So then only you can solve the problems in practice sheet. Okay, children. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates. Thank you, children. Have a good day.